Are you looking for the best chocolate melting pots? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose chocolate melting pots with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right chocolate melting pot. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Cuisinart CFO3SS. According to the recent buyers, Cuisinart CFO3SS electric fondue maker is a non-stick 3-quart pot that can easily hold all your fondue favorites, including chocolate, cheese, and broth. You can also invite your all friends and family members to enjoy a wide range of yummy fondues. After using, you can simply clean up this melting pot with the dishwasher. This Cuisinart electric fondue pot provides your fondue with the best modern, sleek look. Its unique features include a sleek, tidy design, easy temperature control, and powerful electric heat. Furthermore, the non-stick coating protects your heated foods from sticking to the stainless steel 3-quart bowl. However, the stand, bowl, and ring are very easy to assemble and disassemble for you. One of the best parts is that you can easily adjust the temperature setting by turning the dial according to your desire. This set is consistently rated as one of the perfect and stylish electric fondue sets on the market. Number 2. Stainless steel double boiler pot. Double boiler pot for melting chocolate is another best and perfect double boiler pot in gleaming stainless steel. Fabulous features: a heat-resistant red handle, a hook to steady it, and 2 great pouring spouts, all of which fully combine to make melting chocolate quick and very easy. But also it's much heavy to avoid burning all the ingredients, and light enough for everyday use in your kitchen. In case you're in search of simplicity, this fits the bill. Moreover, this is the best suitable size to fit into a small saucepan. Just fill your saucepan a 1/3 way full with water, then bring it to a slow boil, and hook this double boiler pot with ingredients over the top of this saucepan. This is a low-tech option for fast and easy chocolate melting. Plus, you can also simply use it to melt the butter or cheese. However, it has a flat bottom and double pour spouts on both of its sides, and the front hook controls the sliding away. Number 3. Wilton Candy Melts Pot. The product Wilton Candy Melts Pot is considered a simple and efficient electric melting pot by Wilton that has the perfect size for most batches of homemade candy or chocolate making. You need to just plug it in, add your ingredients in it, and turn it on to one of the 2 temperatures designed to best serve candy makers for your ease. Moreover, it works efficiently and most ingredients will be fully melted within just 10 minutes. Moreover, its insert that's made up of silicone has pouring spouts on both of its sides and is very easy to clean. The diameter of the bowl is almost 5.7 inches, and some extra inserts can be purchased for working with multiple ingredients. Lots of recent buyers love to use this chocolate melting pot due to its salient features. However, this Wilton Candy Melting Pot makes for you chocolate-covered strawberries, chocolate-covered and pretzels, and fabulous cake pops. After your candy has set, you've to chill the silicone pot, and then squeeze the insert gently to remove any remaining candy. You can easily melt 2½ cups of candy melts chocolate or candy in it. Furthermore, a unique safety light lets you know when it is on, and its rubber feet keep it in place on your counter. Number 4. Swiss Marmont Brûle 9-piece. Best Swiss Marmont Brûle electric fondue set with a great mirrored stainless steel surface, a best sleek design, and a 2-quart capacity. This electric chocolate melting pot fondue set is the first choice for every buyer. Moreover, its heat level is easily adjustable, and the set also includes the best splatter guard, so you don't have to worry about messes. It usually comes with 6 color-coded stainless steel fondue forks, and is more expensive than some others on the list. Once you try this, you'll surely love to use it. Number 5. Von Chef Fondue Pot. The product Von Chef Fondue Pot electric chocolate melting set is a great pot for dipping marshmallows, fruit, and candy, as well as cake pops and other sweet treats. According to lots of buyers, this is a fabulous and easy way to melt your chocolate, and you will get perfect consistency every time. Moreover, it's ideal for transport and dipping. This piece is great for any social occasion. This pot offers you a simple and easy way to melt chocolate with the help of 2 heat settings. The heat-resistant handles of this pot are great for safe transportation and dipping. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.